G'days, Robyn Wren with Chicks Who Fix, and sadly in this case it's Chick who doesn't want to fix anymore. So if you want to look at a cool car, I'll show you around, that's great, but this is actually an ad. So I'm selling Peggy. I've decided that our not interspecies, our intermetallic lesbian relationship has just become a bit toxic. So I'm not looking after her. She really deserves better. I'm going to show you around now some rust patches that are quite serious. So whether, yeah, I'm looking for offers 20 grand or better. Million's good. Yep, I'll take that one too. So yeah. Also, if you're an Australian gum tree, don't send me those. Auto, is it available? You're like, actually, I don't want to be rude, but I'm giving you the heads up. I will ignore you if you text me. I will not respond to any text. I've never sold a car to a texter. That's just wasting both of our times. You must call me. I'll code it in the ad. Speak to the real human, otherwise you're just not serious. So don't want to be rude, but that's the way it's going to be. So yeah, come and take it for a test drive if you want it. So it's been my daily drive for quite a while, about 3 years, but yeah, it's going to just need some major body work. Yeah, it's really starting to come through now. So yeah, don't be mean. Don't just tell me it's a bucket of crap and it's worth $3, or, you know, just don't even bother with those comments. Just, you know, if you're interested, great. If you're not, go and annoy someone else. Be mean to someone else, because some of these sites are a bit weird on the responses and people must be just bored. So yeah, it's gorgeous. I mean, I don't know why panel vans didn't come with those fantastic tails. So even the old paint job is kind of coming through a bit there. So we got looking good. Nice rust patch there. A little bit of how you're going along here. Through the cracks. Yeah, that's really starting to show now. Okie dokie. So yeah, it's just sort of coming through. Some of the body, see some of the panel work down here. Although that's reflecting on it, it actually looks heaps more crap than it really is. Not that bad. It's a leaf reflection, but yeah, they're not straight. Groovy bonnet ornament. Oh yeah, that's why she's Peggy, the Pegasus. So I'll just lift the hood. That's cool, hey. So I'm doing just one take, so spot some birds or the sky, and hopefully nothing, a Pegasus or a pelican like shit on the phone while I'm doing this. Okay, there we go. So HR front, there's the red 186, Celica 5 on the ground. Just had $1 million spent on the carby, so, but listen to, yeah, hear that clutch in. Well, it's pretty whiny, isn't it? Bit of a fourth sounds super sweet, but hey, how you doing, FB? How you doing, Robyn? Oh, good, thanks. All right, so if you would like this as an investment, like what I'm considering, but I don't have anywhere to store it, so just to oil it up a bit and put it away for another project day. So yeah, if you're serious and you really think that's what I want to do, I want to do up that surf wagon, it's too cool for school, then yeah, feel free to contact me. Give it another life. Too sad to see her rust away. She's gorgeous.